In this video, we're going to look at two new templates for the Canvas starter site. This is going to be the Canvas Footer Style 2, both in light and dark mode. And as we see on my screen, these are both available on the MyListing Club website. Okay. All right, so let's pull up the light mode first, and let's run through this really quickly. So we have a sign up form here at the top. It's currently configured to hook into MailPoet. So you would just, if you're also using MailPoet, you could just punch in your newsletter list and you'd be good to go. If you're using another platform similar to MailPoet, so MailerLite or MailChimp or whatever, you just change the action from MailPoet to that carrier and choose your list and you're good to go. Or you can just remove this subscribe form altogether. Okay, pretty standard stuff that you see in a footer. It's just a different design than I did with the Style 1 Canvas footer. Okay, so we've got some social media icons here. The name of the site is pulled in here. You could put in your logo if you wanted, obviously. Over here on the right, I wanted to draw attention to download our app. Sometimes I get asked the question, so does your starter sites have an app? No, this is just, some people do. So this is just showing you what that could look like if you were in the App Store and in Google Play Store. Okay, then down here we've got a dynamic copyright date that comes in. So that's going to automatically update for you and it pulls in the name of your site dynamically. Then down here we've got the common policies and then a link to Canvas's sitemap. Okay, these here are menus. So these are going to dynamically pull in from your WordPress menus that you create. This is the platform menu for Canvas and the Explore menu for Canvas. So this will all be good for SEO and all of that type of stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out on tablet. And then obviously, let's go back here. Obviously, the footer, once applied to your site, would be down here at the bottom of your screen. Okay, it wouldn't float up here at the top. Okay, so here's tablet, and we see that everything looks good. Let's look at mobile. And everything looks good there. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and look at dark mode, and I'll get you out of here. Same thing, just dark mode. This right here, this form, I could have done something additional with dark mode, but I thought this looked kind of cool, just to have that pop off there. Depending on what your background of your site is, that could look good, even against a dark gray or a black or a blue background in that section. So I chose just to leave that white. I think it looks good. But down here, we just see that the dark mode elements start to come into play. All the similar stuff, accent color on hover. The apps, everything's the same. It's just dark mode. Okay, let's look at tablet really quick. Looks good. And mobile. And all looks good. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and catch you in the next one.